first got here, remember? You were all hello, and I was all, remember? You see, I never saw you before, and if I never saw you before, that meant you're new. Because I know every pony, and I mean every pony in Ponyville. And if you're new, it meant you hadn't met anyone yet. And if you haven't met anyone yet, you must not have any friends. And if you don't have any friends, then you must be lonely. And that made me so sad, and I had an idea. And that's why I went, I should throw a great, big, ginormous, super duper spectacular welcome party and invite everyone in Ponyville. See? And now you have lots and lots of friends. Aw, she's so happy she's crying. What? Good. Isn't this exciting? Are you excited? Because I'm excited. I've never been so excited. Well, except for the time that I saw you walking into town and I went, but I mean, really, who can top that? Oh, I love guessing games. Is she hiding? Ooh, she's good. Ooh, more guessing games. Hokey Smokes. How about Queen Mimi? No, Black Snooty.
Make some friends.
The Elements of Harmony, a reference guide.
The Everfree Forest.
Whee! Let's go! Especially if there's candy apples in there. What? Those things are good.
Fluttershy!
Oh, girls, don't you see? When I was a little filly and the sun was going down.
Tell me she's
And
not.
the darkness and the shadows, they would always make me frown. I'd hide under my pillow from what I thought I saw. But Granny Pie said that wasn't the way to deal with fears at all.
Then what is?
She said, Pinkie, you gotta stand up tall. Learn to face your fears. You'll see that they can't hurt you. Just laugh to make them disappear. Ha, ha, ha. So giggle at the ghostly, guffaw at the grossly, crack up at the creepy, whoop it up with the weepy, chortle at the kooky, snortle at the spooky. And tell that victim scary face to take a hike and leave you alone. And if he thinks he can scare you, then he's got another thing coming. And the very idea of such a thing just makes you wanna How are we gonna cross this? Now what? Oh yeah! We're almost good job, Rick. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 5. Twilight! Look at mine! Hey! You know what this calls for? A party!
Oh, thank you, Princess Celestia.
Isn't this exciting? Are you excited? Because I'm excited. I've never been so excited. Well, except for the time that went, but I mean real. Bats! Bats on my face! Help! Wait, these aren't tickets to the Grand Galloping Gala? It's the most amazing, incredible, tremendous, super fun, wonderful, terrifically humongous party in all of Equestria. I've always wanted to go. Oh, the Grand Galloping Gala is the best place for me. Oh, the Grand Galloping Gala is the best place for me. Hip, hip, hooray! It's the best place for me, for Pinkie. With decorations like streamers and fairy lights and pinwheels and pinatas and pin cushions. With goodies like sugar cubes and sugar canes and sundaes and sunbeams and sarsaparilla. And I get to play my favoriteest of favorite fantabulous games like pin the tail on the pony. Oh, the Grand Galloping Gala is the best place for me. Oh, the Grand Galloping Gala is the best place for me. Cause it's the most galloperific, superly terrific gala ever in the whole galaxy. Whee! Oh, thank you, Twilight. It's the most wonderfulest gift ever. Yes! Twilight's taking me to the Grand Galloping Gala in Canterlot. Him! Who?
Listen, guys. I haven't decided who to give the extra ticket to.
You haven't? But Twilight's taking me! Oh, I didn't tell her that! She said And then I said, oatmeal, are you crazy? Oh, okay. Surprise! Twilight is my bestest friend, Whoopee. Whoopee, she's the cutest, smartest, all-around best pony. your friends. We're sorry, Twilight. What?
So I would rather not go at all.
Yeah! And to celebrate! Come on, everyone! The cupcakes are on me! Hey! This makes my voice sound silly! This is the best rodeo show I've ever seen! Yeehaw! Ride 'em, cow pony! Apple-tastic! I know, a party! Not since the Stampede. And this week, I get to run Sugar Cube Corner for the first time. Oh, Applejack, one of the best bakers ever, is gonna help me. Applejack makes everything great, so free samples for every pony! Woo! Woo! She seemed fine to me. Woo! Woo! Yes, sirree, Bob, Mrs. Cake. Plus, I have Ponyville's prize pony to help me out. Why, she's the best baker ever. Right, Applejack? Stop with the shaking. It's time to get baking. Alrighty, I'll get the sugar and the eggs. Can you get me some chocolate chips?
Chocolate chips. Baking soda.
A cup of flour. One last thing. Wheat germ. Now that's gonna be delicious. Free muffin sample spectacular. No, not baked goods. Baked bads. Ew, Spike, I threw those away. Where'd you get them? Ew. Hook fighting action overload. She was like a stunt superstar, flying higher and higher, and then Rainbow Dash swooped down, swoosh, and right before she hit the ground, shoom, she pulled up, and then she looped around and around like woo, 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 woo. Rainbow Dash! Rainbow Dash! But Rainbow Dash! But I was gonna tell you to look out for that mountain. Hi, I'm looking for Rainbow Dash. Have you seen her? Hi there. Have you seen Rainbow Dash? Okay, thanks anyway. Twilight, have you seen Rainbow Dash anywhere? Rainbow Dash! Hi! Hi again! I need a favor, Rainbow Dash. I totally promise it'll be totally fun. Over to the right. No, a little left. Oh, wait, back to the right. Now, a little leftish while staying right. Stop! Maybe a few inches to the south. And now a couple centimeters north. Okay. One more smidge meter to the... perfect. Now, wait for my signal. Oh, Rainbow Dash, we startled Spike into getting the hiccups. Oh, okay. Good. Have you ever seen anything more hilarious? Are you kidding? I love to pull pranks. It's all in good fun, and Pinkie Pie loves to have fun. That'd be... I'd really... When would you... I don't know. This is gonna be cold. What? Is someone over there? Who are we gonna squirt? What? No. We can't prank Fluttershy. She's so sensitive. It'll hurt her feelings, even our most harmless prank. Oh, I've got someone in mind. The toughest around. Oh, yes. You're very close. Rise and shine, Rainbow Dash. It's a brand new day, and we got a lot of pranking to... Ooh, what's a griffin? Oh, that was awesome! And it gave me a great idea for a prank. Gilda, you game? Oh, well, sure, no problem. Have fun, you guys. I'll, just catch up with you. Later. Hey there, it's later, and I caught up. Hey! Wow, guys, that was really close. But I think Rainbow Dash beat you by a teeny-weeny-itty-bitty hair. Or a teeny-weeny-itty-bitty feather. Wait, guys! Wow! griffin this mean. Well, actually, I've never met a griffin at all. But I bet if I had, she wouldn't have been as mean and grumpy as Gilda. Jealous? Improve my attitude? But it's Gilda that... are you serious? Maybe Twilight is right. Maybe Gilda isn't a big, mean, grumpy, mean meanie pants. Maybe I'm just a big, jealous, judgmental, jealousy pants. Aw, poor Granny Smith. She didn't know it was a joke. How mean. No, I can't misjudge her. It was kind of a funny prank, I guess. I did misjudge her. She's not only a meanie mean pants, she's also a thief. No. She might give it back. It's just a joke. She's a grump and a thief and a bully. The meanest kind of mean meanie pants there is. I can take it, but no one treats Fluttershy like that. No one. This calls for extreme measures. Pinkie Pie style. Welcome. Don't worry your pretty little head about mean old Gilda. Your Auntie Pinkie Pie's got it all taken care of. Gilda! I'm so honored to throw you one of my signature Pinkie Pie parties. And I really, truly, sincerely hope you feel welcome here amongst all us pony folk. You are a scream.
Yeah.
Great. Well, I hope so. This wasn't supposed to be a surprise party. And I got my eye on you. Everyone, I'd like you all to meet Gilda, a longtime dear friend of Rainbow Dash. Let's honor her and welcome her to Ponyville. Please help yourself. Well, what do you know? Pepper in the vanilla lemon drops and the punch served in a dribble glass. You do? Take time, every pony. Now I wonder who could have done that. Why? Can't you watch me like a griffin? Yeah, Gilda should definitely go first. Let's get you blindfolded. We're spinning you around and around, and then you can pin the tail on the pony. Now just walk straight ahead and pin the tail. Oh, wait! The poster is this. Gilda, you pinned the tail on the wrong end. I should have known. That dribble cup had Rainbow Dash written all over it. Me? I threw this party to improve your attitude. I thought a good party might turn that frown upside down. Hey, if you want to hang out with party poopers, that's your business. No hard feelings. It's okay, Twilight. Even you can't be a super smart smarty smart pants all the time. Come on, every pony. There's still a whole lot of party to finish. This calls for a celebration. I'm gonna need balloons. One for every pony in Ponyville. And where there's smoke, there's fire. And let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, wait. 7. Hey, Rainbow Dash, wait up! Huh? He should really see a doctor. That doesn't sound healthy at all.
Oh,
we can do it.
Obviously.
Yeah, we can do it. I mean, grrr. Ooh, pretty.
All right, girls.
Welcome to my cave, Rarity. Care for a diamond? Roar!
Girls.
Ooh, I think I have one in my bag. Come on, Fluttershy, you can do it. Flap those wings. Woohoo! I win again. There's nothing to be afraid of. It's just a hop, skip, and a jump. See? It's not very far. Just move your little rump. You can make it if you try with a hop, skip, and a jump. A hop, skip, and a jump. Just move your little rump. A hop, skip, and a jump. 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 Let's do it again! Spike is a dragon. You're not scared of him.
Ponyville, to be exact. What in tarnation?
Exactly! Sharing a laugh is a surefire way to get someone on your side. Hi! Apparently he doesn't like laughing. Or sharing. Dragon! alone in the dark. Glance evilly this way. And spooky.
What?
And that wicked enchantress Sakura lives there doing her evil stuff. Oh, she's so evil. I even wrote a song about her. She's an evil enchantress. She does evil dances. And if you look deep in her eyes, she'll put you in trances. Then what will she do? She'll mix up an evil brew. Then she'll gobble you up in a big tasty stew. So watch out! It's a work in progress.
I'm sure there's an explanation for everything Sakura does.
Well, I heard that Sakura eats hay. Yeah, but I heard it's the evil way she eats hay. Gobble you up in a big tasty stew, just like in my song. Evil enchantress with the dances and the trances. She's an evil enchantress. She does evil dances. If you look deep in her eyes, she will put you in trances. Then what will she do? Then she'll gobble you up in a big tasty stew. Watch out!
Pinkie Pie!
Is to venture down this week.
Never judge a book by its cover. Someone.
Oh my gosh! I never realized how horrible it is not to be able to talk. I mean, I love talking so much, but when I couldn't talk anymore, my tongue was all, it was the worst! Don't you agree, Fluttershy? I know. That's why I'm tasting them. Some pony needs to make sure that everything is tasty enough to touch the royal tongue. And I, Pinkie Pie, declare that these treats are fit for a king, or a queen, or a princess. No, not at all. Come on in and make yourself at home. What's going on, Fluttershy? Ugh, a Paris Sprite? Are you kidding? Ugh, now I gotta go find a trombone. A trombone, you know. Does any pony know where I can find an accordion? Bells! Hello! This is important! Ugh, thanks a lot! Look, Rarity! Applejack loaned me a harmonica! Isn't that great? And not a moment too soon. And I'm not! You know how many more instruments I've got to find? A lot! That's how many! Now, if we split the list between us, we might just make it in time. You've got a real problem, all right? And a banjo is the only answer. Twilight! We don't have much time! Exactly! That's why I need you gals to drop what you're doing and help me find some maracas! You're right! Getting a tuba has to be our #1 goal. Follow me! I said, follow me! And you are all so stubborn! They will be with these cymbals! Hey! Give me those back! I've lost a brand new pair of cymbals! That's what I've done! Me? Ruin? I'm not the ruiner. I am the ruinee. Or is it ruin us? Ruinette? Hey! I'm trying to tell you all that the ruining is on the other hoof. If you just slow down and listen to me. Look! Tambourines! If you could all just... Save you!
Oh no, the princess's procession is here. It's all over. Pinkie, we're in the middle of a crisis here. This is no time for your nonsense. Look! Hello, princess.
So lovely to see you again, as well as your friends.
So, how was the trip? Hit much traffic?
What is this? These creatures are adorable.
They're not that adorable.
I'm terribly honored that you and the good citizens of Ponyville have organized a parade in honor of my visit.
Parade? Oh, yes, the parade!
Unfortunately, that visit is going to have to wait for another time. I'm afraid an emergency has come up in Philadelphia. Apparently, there's been some sort of infestation.
An Infestation?
Yes, a swarm of incredibly bothersome creatures has invaded the poor town. I'm sorry, Twilight, to have to put you all through so much trouble.
Trouble? What trouble?
Before I have to go, would you care to give me your latest report on the magic of friendship in person?
My report?
Haven't you learned anything about friendship?
Actually, I have. I've learned that sometimes the solution to your problems can come from where you least expect it. It's a good idea to stop and listen to your friends' opinions and perspectives. Even when they don't always seem to make sense.
I'm so proud of you, Twilight Sparkle, and I'm very impressed with your friends as well. It sounds like you're all learning so much from each other.
Thank you, Princess.
Hey, what happened to the princess? Oh no! Have they got Paris Brights too? Well, have tuba, we'll travel.
I think the princess can handle it.
Well, duh! Why do you think I was so frantic to get my hooves on all these instruments? I tried to tell you. Thanks, guys. You're all great friends too, even when I don't understand me. We've kept our hoofsies warm at home. Time off from work to play. 'Cause tomorrow spring is here. Hello, Twilight! Wow. Thanks, Twilight. I've been doing this since I was an itty-bitty little Twinkie Pinkie. Just comes naturally, which is probably why they designated me the lake scorer. I cut lines in the lake with my skate. That way, when the rest of the weather team comes here to break the ice, it'll be easy as pie. Tell me about it. Hey, Twilight, want to help me out? Come on, put on those skates over there. I bet you'll be a natural too. Yay!
Second thought.
What are you talking about?
Yippee! Twilight, steer! Oh boy! Twilight, you did a great job your first time around. I'm sure my first time was just as wobbly and bobbly and crash-horrific as yours. No, but did I make you feel better? I bet you'll be super awesome at something that keeps your hooves on the ground. I know. Fluttershy could probably use your help with the critters. It's, that away. You look like you'd be good at eating cupcakes. Eating cupcakes! I don't have any cupcakes. But you look like you'd be good at helping me make some. All you have to do is take a cup of flour, add it to the mix. Now just take a little something sweet, not sour, a bit of salt, just a pinch. Baking these treats is such a cinch. Add a teaspoon of vanilla. Add a little more and you count to 4 and you never get your fill of. Cupcakes, so sweet and tasty. Cupcakes, don't be too hasty. Cupcakes, 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 cupcakes. Ooh, those look much better than the last batch. Ugh.
Guess I'm not cut out.
What about that? Flour! It's flour! Yay! I guessed it! What game do you want to play next? Please say bingo. Please say bingo.
Whoa.
We've been making cupcakes. Want to try one? Don't forget your party hat. Forgetty forgetterson.
Welcome to the annual running of the...
Leaves. This is Pinkie Pie, your official eye-in-the-sky announcer. As every pony knows, the run is a very important tradition, for without it, the autumn leaves of Equestria would never fall. So get ready, ponies. The running of the leaves will begin in 5 minutes. Racers, please take your positions. Hey, Spike, what's up? Oh, wait, it's me. I'm up. What? Spike, would you like to be my co-reporter? We could comment on the action together. Climb on up. All right, ponies. Are you ready? And they're off. Welcome to the official coverage of the running of the leaves. You know, Spike, despite its name, the leaves don't do any of the actual running. No, that's left to my little ponies. Ugh, those lazy leaves. But this year, the run is about more than the weather. It's about the race to the finish and the 2 runners who want to win it. Applejack and Rainbow Dash. Yes, and grudge rhymes with fudge. And I like fudge, but if you eat too much fudge, I get a pudge and then I can't budge. Oh, no thanks. I had a big breakfast. Let's check in with our 2 competitive ponies, Applejack and Rainbow Dash. Having come fast out of the gate, Applejack and Rainbow Dash are evenly matched, running neck and neck. But what's this? Applejack is making a move. She's now ahead by a nose. But Rainbow Dash won't let Applejack have it and takes the lead. She's ahead by half a nose, or maybe 3/4 of a nose. No, about 63.7% of a nose. Roughly speaking, Applejack sees his move and plunges forth with a strong workhorse sporting of her. Welcome back, Pony Millions! It's me, Pinkie Pie! I'm not sure how ketchup is gonna help her in this contest. Now, in a hot dog eating contest, it can make them doggies nice and slippery, but personally I prefer mustard. How about you, Spike? And it looks like Applejack has found herself in quite a pickle as Rainbow overtakes her. Applejack, what are you doing up here? I must say, Spike, that this has been the most interesting running of the leaves in equestria history. But it isn't the running that's been fascinating. It's the lack of running. Once again, Rainbow Dash and Applejack are neck and neck jockeying for position. Applejack inches ahead. Now it's Rainbow. It's Applejack. It's Rainbow Dash. It's Applejack. Oh, yes, she did. It's Applejack. It's Rainbow Dash. It's Applejack. It's Rainbow Dash. For last.
That's it. Keep them closed. Don't.
I love something. Something is my favorite. Yeah. Don't you think my gown would be more me with some lollipops? Do it! More balloons. Oh no, that's too many balloons. More candy. Oh, less candy. Oh wait, I know. Streamers. Whose dress is this? All we ever want is indecision. Make sure that it stays within our budget. It's exactly what I asked for.
Rarity.
Are you as happy with them as we are? Rarity, you okay in there? You haven't come out for days. She'll become a crazy cat lady. Give her time. We all finished your dress for you. Yay! We're so super sorry.
Emma, to make it happen. No other way. I can't. Look.
Twitchy, twitch, twitch, twitch. Oh, it's my tail. It's my tail. It's a twitchin'. And you know what that means? The twitchin' means my pinky sense is telling me that stuff's gonna start falling. You two better duck for cover. He just said, nice catchin', frog. Twilight? You got a little something on your face there. Nah, I could just see it. La 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 la. My tail, my tail. Twitch, 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 twitch. Something else is gonna fall. It's okay. My tail stopped twitching. La 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 la. My ears are floppy. My ears are flopping. I'll start a bath for you. So basically, it works like this. I get different little niggly feelings, and they mean different things. Like when my back gets itchy, it means it's my lucky day. And when my knee gets pinchy, that means something scary is about to happen. No, but my shoulder's achy. That means there's an alligator in the tub. Oh, no, it's not, silly. This is my pet alligator, Gummy. He's got no teeth. See? What's not to believe? You do magic. What's the difference? That's so not true, Twilight. Sometimes it's a bunch of random things happening in my body at random times that supposedly predict the future. I call them combos. Sure, you know, like ear flop, then knee twitch, then eye flutter. That means the sky is about to be graced with a beautiful rainbow. Uh-oh, I feel a combo coming on. Ear flop, eye flutter, knee twitch. Oh, no. You're thinking of an ear flop, then knee twitch, then eye flutter. This was an ear flop, then eye flutter, then knee twitch. That usually means look out for opening doors. You okay? You don't believe because you don't understand. Okie dokie Loki. No fee. Wait, hold on. No, I don't control it. They just come and go. Sometimes you just have to believe in things, even when you can't figure them out. Wait, hold on. I'm feeling something. It's my tummy. That usually means I'm hungry. Let's eat. Okie dokie Loki. Uh-oh.
Have you seen Twilight?
Uh-huh.
Come on. Pinkie is pie again. Ear flop. Eye flutter. Knee twitch. Twitchy tail.
Hey, Applejack. What you doing? Oh, letting Twilight secretly follow me all day without me knowing? Silly. That would have spoiled the secret. All done. Clear skies from here on in, as far as I can tell. Don't know. Never gotten any like it before. But whatever that shudder's about, it's a doozy. Something you never expect to happen is gonna happen. And it's gonna happen at Froggy Bottom Bog. I'm not sure. Okie dokie. No thanks. I'm fine. Whoa! What if she exploded and then exploded again? Fluttershy! I'm so glad everything's all right.
You can't see for yourself.
Is that a Hydra? Oh, looky there, it stopped. Oh, there it is again!
Do you know any spells for turning a Hydra into a mouse?
No.
How about a squirrel?
No.
How about...
No small rodents.
Twilight! Twilight! You have to jump! You'll be fine! It's your only hope! You have to take a leap of faith! I knew you could do it, Twilight!
Hydra. Pinkie?
That wasn't it.
What wasn't what?
The Hydra wasn't the doozy. I'm still getting the shudders. You see? There it is again. Whatever the doozy was at Froggy Bottom Bog, my pinky sense says it still hasn't happened. Dunno, but it just wasn't it.
The fight. I can't fight it anymore. I don't understand how, why, or what. But Pinkie sense somehow makes sense. I don't see how it does, but it just does. Just because I don't understand doesn't mean it's not true.
You mean you believe?
Yep. I guess I do.
That was it! That's the doozy! You believing! I never expected that to happen! That was the doozy! And oh, what a doozy of a doozy it was! La 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 la.
What else can I do?
There it goes again! You never know!
What's that?
It's where all the greatest Pegasus flyers get together and show off their different flying styles. Some are fast. And some are graceful. Ooh, I'd love to see you make a sonic rain boom. It's like the most coolest thing ever, even though I've never actually seen it. But I mean, come on, it's a sonic rain boom. How not cool could it possibly not be? You really need to get out more. The sonic rain boom is legendary. When a Pegasus like Rainbow Dash gets going so fast, boom! A sonic boom and a rainbow can happen all at once! Yeah, but you're gonna do it again, right? A flight spell? 1 sec. Page 27. It landed on my face when Rainbow Dash knocked me into the bookcase. Sure did! Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, it's a Spicy! Yeah. Good luck. We still love you. Holy moly, that's a lot of holies. Ow! Wait for me! I can't believe you found all these gems! Cross my heart and hope to fly, stick a cupcake in my eye. We won't say a word! Twilight, you promised Spike you wouldn't say anything. He trusts you, and losing a friend's trust is the fastest way to lose a friend forever. Forever! How'd it go? How'd it go? Forever! Forever! Juicy! Oh, if only all these ponies didn't like me so much. Photo Finish wouldn't want me to model anymore. She'd find some pony else with the magic. Yes! Obviously, that's why I zipped my mouth closed, then locked it with a key, then dug a hole, then buried the key, then built a house on top of the hole where I buried the key, then moved into the house on top of the hole.
Obviously.
And you are doing so well. Aww. No, are you asleep yet? Oh, yeah. What tree? You You mean Bloomberg? Fluttershy's not a tree, silly. Rainbow Dash thinks Fluttershy's a tree. She's not a tree, Dashy. Would you all be... Now they're doing tricks! Now do a backflip or just jump. Boo! Ah, you caught me. Looks like I tricked you and didn't get away with it either. You're good. I do? I am? Oh my gosh! So am I!
Oh, still...
Before we finish eating, are you loco in the cocoa? Can I please have more of that mushy stuff, whatever it was? Huh? Well, that's not very nice. Right, Rainbow Dash? Hi, guys. We didn't. Hey, I've got an idea. We may be divided, but of you all I beg to remember we're all hoofed at the end of each leg. No matter what the issue, come from wherever you please. All this fighting gets you nothing but huff and mouth disease. Arguing's not the way. Hey, come out and play. It's a shiny new day. So what do you say? You gotta share. You gotta care. It's a right thing to do. You gotta share. You gotta care. And there'll always be a way through. Both our diets, I should mention, are completely vegetarian. We all eat hay and oats. Why be at each other's throat? You gotta share. You gotta care. It's the right thing to do, and there'll always be a way through. Oh, that wasn't the message of my song at all. Say, you gotta share. You gotta care. It's the right thing to do. You gotta share. You gotta care. Hey! That's what I said! Notice. Woohoo! Cupcakes, candies, and pies all night! Oh, chocolate fountainy goodness. You gonna eat that? Hey! No, it's my fault! Wait, what are we talking about? You're looking for Rainbow Dash? If I was her, I'd be at Sugar Cube Corner. Of course, if I was anyone, I'd be at Sugar Cube Corner. Hey, I have an idea. Want to go to Sugar Cube Corner? Cutie, Mark. Come with me and I'll tell you how I got mine. All right! My sisters and I were raised on a rock farm outside of Ponyville. We spent our days working the fields. There was no talking. There was no smiling. There were only rocks. We were in the south field preparing to rotate the rocks to the east field when all of a sudden, I never felt joy like that before. It felt so good I just wanted to keep smiling forever. And I wanted everyone I knew to smile too. But rainbows don't come along that often. I wondered how else could I create some smiles?
Southfield.
Pinkie and Diane Pie, is that you?
Mom, I need you and Dad and the sisters to come in here, quick! Surprise! You like it? It's called a party. Oh, you don't like it. Oh, you like it. I'm so happy. And that's how Equestria was named. Maybe on the way home I can tell you the story of how I got my cutie mark. It's a gem. I heard that boom, and right afterwards there's this amazing rainbow that taught me to smile. We all owe our cutie marks to you. I love you guys. Oh yeah, definitely. Little spiky wikey. Who knew that big ferocious dragon started off so cutesy wootsy? That's wow, these cookies are delish. And now the punch has been spiked. This is your singing telegram. I hope it finds you well. You're invited to a party because we think you're really swell. Gummy turning 1 year old, so help us celebrate. The cake will be delicious, the festivities first rate. There will be games and dancing, pop for apples, cut a rug. And when and be our guest.
Next time, I think I'll just pass out written invitations.
Hey, girls! Just wanted to tell you how happy I am that you can make it to Gummy's party. Aw, just a boring old apple. Don't worry, there are plenty of other surprises in there. I can't tell you that, silly. Then it wouldn't be a surprise. Nope, something new. It's Gummy's favorite. Ooh, this is my jam. Having fun? They're always the best parties because my best friends are always there. Come on, everybody! Gummy wants to dance! Go, Gummy! It's a birthday! Go, Gummy! It's a birthday! You sure you don't want to stay? There's still some cake left. We should do this again soon. It's soon!
Pardon me?
You said we should have another party soon, and it's soon. Here's your invitation.
Gummy's after-birthday party. This afternoon at 3 o'clock.
All our bestest friends are invited, and there's gonna be dancing and games and cake and ice cream and punch. Yes, indeedy. I understand. Your studies come first. But don't worry, we'll be sure to save you some cake. Oh, and Twilight, you shouldn't hit the books. You should really just read them.
Huh?
Who's ready to shake their who thing? It's an invitation to Gummy's after-birthday party this afternoon. There's gonna be dancing and games and cake and ice cream and punch. That's funny. That's just what Twilight said. And the answer is yes. It's this afternoon. Okie dokie Loki. A party is still a party, even if there are only 3 guests. Gummy's after-birthday party is this afternoon. I'm delivering the invitations. It's so strange. Every pony keeps saying that. I know it's short notice, but we had such a great time at his birthday party. I thought we could have even more fun at his after-birthday party. Don't be silly. Your hair doesn't look dirty. Huh. No Twilight, no Applejack, no Rarity. Oh well, a party is still a party even with only 2 guests. Yes! As in this afternoon. Both of you? What? Maybe I could bring you some after-birthday cake and ice cream. Who are you house-sitting for? Harry? That's strange. I know just about every pony around here. A bear? What? There's a bear around here who lives in a house? He's vacationing at the beach? Something strange is definitely going on around here, Gummy. Sure, Rainbow Dash and Fluttershy had to house sit for that vacationing bear, but what are the chances all my other friends would have plans this afternoon, too? Rarity has to wash her hair, Applejack has to pick apples, Twilight is behind on her studies and has to hit the books. The more I think about it, the more those are starting to sound like excuses. That doesn't look like studying or hitting, but we're friends. What wouldn't Twilight want me to know anything about? Time to get to the bottom of things. I think our cover's been blown. We'll need a new disguise. Have you seen her? I thought every pony loved my parties. Rainbow Dash! Wait! Where are you going? What's the real reason you didn't want to come to Gummy's party? What's in the bags? We have a problem! I know you're in there! Mind if I take a look inside the barn? Rainbow Dash just went in there. Okie dokie Loki. Secrets and lies. It's all secrets and lies with those ponies. They're up to something, Gummy. Something they don't want me to know about. Well, I'm gonna know about it. I'm gonna know about it big time. And I know just who's gonna tell me all about it. Tell me all about it big time! It's all yours, Spike. All you have to do is talk.
Love a sunny.
No. Talk about our friends.
Pegasus afraid of heights. What's up with that?
No! You're not understanding me! I want you to confess! Confess! And... No! Tell me that my friends are all lying to me and avoiding me because they don't like my parties and they don't want to be my friends anymore! I knew it! Oh no! My friends don't like my parties and they don't want to be my friends anymore. Oh. Thank you all so much for coming. It means so much to Gummy.
But I have some more punch.
Well, of course you can have some more punch, Mr. Turnip.
This is one great party. You really outdone yourself.
Why, thank you, Rocky.
I'm having a delightful time as well.
I'm so glad, Sir Lancelot. My dad's got my anything for you, Madame LaFlower.
I'm just glad none of them ponies showed up.
Oh, they're not so bad.
Not so bad. Police! They're a bunch of losers.
Oh, come on now. Losers might be a little strong, don't you think?
After the way they treated you, I say losers isn't strong enough.
Well, it was pretty rude. Pretty rude? It was downright despicable! It was, wasn't it?
If I were you, I wouldn't speak to them ever again.
You know what? I'm not gonna speak to them ever again. And I'm not gonna invite them to another party as long as I live. They don't deserve to be invited to my parties. Not after the way they've been acting. Despicable!
Bunch of losers!
Yes, that's right.
Well done. Yeah, you show them.
Who could that be? I don't know how it goes, all right. No thanks. I'm spending time with my real friends. Isn't that right, Madame LaFlower? Oui, that is correct, Madame. Another slice of cake, Sir Lancelot?
I'd love one. He's not going anywhere.
I most certainly am not. I'm having a wonderful time right here.
You heard the lady. She ain't going nowhere, chump.
No, I said no. No, I don't. Excited? Excited? Why would I be excited to attend my own farewell party? Yes! You don't like me anymore, so you decided to kick me out of the group and throw a great big party to celebrate. A farewell to Pinkie Pie party. Why? 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 Because you've been lying to me and avoiding me all day. That's why. Because it's my birthday. Oh, how could I have forgotten my own birthday? And you like me so much you decide to throw me a surprise party. You girls are the best friends ever. How could I have ever doubted you? You girls wouldn't mind if we celebrated Gummy's after-birthday party too, would you? His party was cut short and he's pretty upset about it. I can't believe the Grand Gala is tonight!
Pinkie, please stop shouting. I'm trying to concentrate.
Pinkie Pie, stop that right now. It's time to prepare for the gala, and I refuse to let you put on your new dress if you're all sweaty.
What's Twilight doing? An apple! Are we having pie? Busy having fun!
He'll be around.
I am here at the Grand Gala, for it is the best party. But the one thing it was missing was a pony named Pinkie. For I am the best at parties, all the ponies will agree. Ponies playing, ponies dancing with me at the Grand Gala. To woo into the gala, the shiny dance floor, the pretty party ponies, the fancy band, shiny, pretty, fancy. Gotta dance! I'm at the Grand Galloping Gala. I'm at the Grand Galloping Gala. I'm at the Grand Galloping Gala. It's all I ever dreamed. It's all I ever dreamed. Woohoo! It's all I ever dreamed. Yippee! I'm at the Grand Galloping Gala. It's all I've ever dreamed. I'm at the Grand Galloping Gala. And it's not what I dreamed. And I'm not going to the best night ever! And then we're gonna do this. Come on, every pony! I know what'll make you shake those groove things! You reach your right hoof in, you reach your right hoof out, you reach your right hoof in, and you shake it all about. You do the pony pokey, meeting lots of folks with clout. That's what I'm talking about. You step your left hoof in, you pull it right back out. You step your left hoof in, but you better help him out. You do the pony pokey, but you'd find a different route. That's what it's all about. You kick your back left in, you pull your back left out. You reach your back left in, just be brave and have no doubt. You do the pony pokey, feeling like you're gonna pout. That's what I'm singing about. You tilt your head in, you tilt your head out. You tilt your head in, then you shake it all about. You do the pony pokey, even though your date's allowed. That's what it's all about. Yeah! Oh! They don't want a party. These ponies want a party! Come on, every pony. You wanted a party? Now let's party! Yeah! Now that's a beat. Yeah! Come on, dance! Yeah! Woohoo! Stage dive! Ooh, Rarity, your glass slipper. Now your prince is sure to find you. It was!
I just.
Laughing! In fact, it's made it the best night ever!